Hi everyone, welcome to my video when I visited the National Gallery of Victoria. Let's explore! First, I'm checking out the picture galleries. The section have beautiful photo and print. A picture tells a unique story from around the world. The lighting and layout make it even more enjoyable. Next, I move on to the painting art and collection. Here, I see many styles from old to modern art. Some paintings are so detailed and colorful. They almost look alike. It's amazing to see how artists show their feeling and idea. Now looking at a section with images of women and fashion. The gallery has stunning portraits of women and amazing fashion pieces from different times. The clothing design are very detailed and show the style of the time. This is the short film display. The film gives a different way to see art on several topics. As I walk through the gallery, I enjoy the building itself. I hope you like this tour of the National Gallery of Victoria as much as I did. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye for now.